guys, this is Gator School, and my name is Alexana, and today we're going to be talking about chores. It teaches me that I have to do them every day.
No. Do you think you learn anything from doing chores?
Yes.
Like what?
Like, to do it quicker.
How about responsibility?
Yes. Usually I do feeding the dog, feeding the cats.
What are you doing, Ellie?
I'm feeding the dog.
Is that one of your chores?
Yep.
Yep.
Then I have to let him outside and then I have to feed the cats.
But you don't have to feed the cats at lunchtime.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool beans. What do you say? Good.
And I also do laundry, sorting, and dirty.
Do you like sorting laundry?
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is this one of your chores?
Yeah.
Yep.
But my cat is in that box.
Is she really in a box? Hello. Hey, there's beer in there. Please see.
She's checking out the beer.
Hi.
She's checking.
Oh goodness.
I'm putting clothes in the washer.
All right.
Well, and I'm loving this.
Really?
Yep.
Yep.
Okay, so we are putting all the laundry's in there.
Nope. Can you close it tighter? Remember, you have to close it. Okay. Now press power. We're gonna do the express wash today.
This one?
Yep. Woohoo! You did laundry.
Yep. That's all.
Yeah.
Picking up after the dog. Cause she's doing money.
Have you been sweeping up after him? What else did you do today?
I picked up toys and I vacuumed
Yeah.
2 times today.
Well, we were interrupted the first time.
Yeah.
What kind of toys did you pick up?
Pet toys.
Is it fun to pick up pet toys, or are there any problems that come along?
Yes, Trio does. He tries to steal them.
What did he try to steal?
There's toys in this blanket.
When you're putting them back?
Yeah. He's like, my toys.
Yeah, he doesn't like when you try to put away his toys, does he?
Yeah. But Lucy's just chill as that. Even Princess. You're chill as that.
Alright, make sure you get all the cat toys. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Trio notices. Oh no! No, he really thinks you're having fun. Alright.
Goodbye. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.